These VEO3 AI ads are going absolutely viral, and they're created with JSON prompting. And with it, you can make some seriously crazy stuff. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, I'll show you how to structure a proper JSON-style prompt and what makes it different from a regular, messy text prompt. I'll share some cool video ads I created using my prompt template. Then we'll take my own JSON prompt template and I'll show you how to customize it to build your own cinematic product ads like this one. And most importantly, I'm going to share the exact prompts I used to generate these ads using VEO3. Like, no fluff. You'll see the full structure and the results I got from it. All right, before we jump into the editor, let's quickly talk about this whole JSON prompting because there's been a lot of hype around it lately. Some people think it's a magical format that just makes your videos go viral. It's really not. It's not a hack. It's not a cheat code. It's just structure. Most people throw random words into a text box and hope for the best. With JSON prompting, you're giving the AI a step-by-step recipe, the product, the setting, the camera, the mood, even the exact motion you want. And honestly, for ads like this format just works. It's clean, repeatable, and easy to remix. Now, you don't need to write raw JSON code from scratch. I've already created a full JSON prompt template you can copy and tweak for your own ads. And I'll walk you through that in a second. And don't worry, I'm also giving you the exact prompts I used to generate all the ads in this video. All right, let's build our first JSON-style ad together. We're going to start with something simple but visually insane. This ad for a fictional energy drink called Blaze Energy. Now, everything in this scene, the particles, the glowing terrain, the way the can hits the rock, all of that came from a single structured prompt. Let me show you how I built it. So first I'm using my JSON prompt template, which just breaks your idea into clear readable sections. The product name, the camera style, the lighting, the environment, the motion, all written out in a structured format the AI can follow better. Here's what the Blaze Energy prompt looked like in JSON format. So let's break this down. The description sets the overall idea, a cinematic can reveal with energy effects. The elements section gives us the visual moments, the can forming, the terrain lighting up. Then we add in details like camera style, lighting, atmosphere, motion, even what happens at the very end of the video. Now let's take this prompt and generate our ad. Open Google Flow. Set your model to VEO3 fast with audio, as it only costs 20 credits. And yeah, let it cook. Wow, this looks like a 100K ad. To be honest, I didn't expect my ad to look like this. This is seriously amazing. I think ad agencies are now done. Now for the next one, I wanted to go full luxury. So I created this moody cinematic perfume ad for a fictional brand called Noir Bloom. The idea was elegant, mysterious floating bottle, kind of like a fashion film directed by an AI. Okay, this turned out so clean. The way the bottle rises out of the mist with that soft purple glow honestly feels like something you'd see in a Dior ad. I especially love the animated runes spinning around the glass. That wasn't even a separate effect. That came straight out of the prompt. Like, no tracking, no VFX, just pure AI wizardry. All right, let's switch gears. Next up, I wanted something techie and precise, so I created this clean, futuristic watch ad for a brand called Chrono Edge S7. Here's the results. Now here's one I had a lot of fun with, AirPods Pro X. The concept was simple, elegant design, surrounded by motion, clean white glow, sound waves pulsing around it. I mean, this looks like something straight out of an official Apple campaign. The way the sound waves animate around the product, that ripple, the softness of the glow, it's just clean. And I love how the cube disassembles into floating circuit lines before the AirPods form. It's subtle, but feels intentional. All right, time for something loud. This next one's a full-blown CGI reveal of a Lamborghini Aventador. But instead of just making it drive fast, I went for something a bit cooler. I made the car assemble like it's being built mid-air in a secret futuristic showroom. Okay, that was nasty. Just look at how the yellow light pulses with each part clicking in. That little detail right there? chef's kiss. And the way the floor platform rises as the car finishes building felt like a luxury spaceship launch pad.
This next one might be my favorite visually. It's a luxury perfume ad I made for a fake brand called Eclat Nocturne. I just wanted elegance, gold shimmer, and that soft satin vibe. Come on, this is crazy. The way the silk flows mid-air and wraps around the bottle, it's giving straight-up dream sequence. Next up, I tried something wild. I made a sneaker rise out of the middle of a city block like a building reveal. It's called Volt Runner X. Now this one's classy. I wanted a luxury watch embedded in a skyscraper, full CGI architecture reveal. So I made Rolex Skycraft. Gears spinning, light rippling through windows. Honestly looks like the city is the watch. Super elegant. And finally, I made an ad for noise-canceling headphones, Silencio Pro. Clean, slow motion, surrounded by dissolving sound waves. Alright, so if you want to try this out yourself, here's the easiest way to get started. I've included a full JSON prompt template down below, and you don't have to write all of this from scratch. You can literally copy that template into ChatGPT and ask it to build a custom ad prompt for whatever product you want. Just make sure you tell it what kind of ad you're trying to create. Like, do you want a product reveal? A surreal CGI transformation? Maybe an unboxing ad or a luxury fashion style vibe. The more specific you are, the better the output. Using this JSON prompt structure, create a cinematic video ad prompt for Insert Product Here. The ad should follow this format and include vivid scene descriptions, camera details, motion, lighting, environment, and a unique visual hook. Type of ad: product reveal, CGI transformation, surreal unboxing, architectural animation. No need for code format. Just return it as readable JSON blocks that can be used with AI tools like Google VEO or VEO3. That's it. Paste that into ChatGPT with your product idea, and it'll give you a clean, structured prompt you can tweak and drop into VEO or any AI video tool. I'd love to see what you make with this.
Ignite the blaze. Zero sugar. Full power.
Check out the links in the description below with a lot more amazing ad templates. And here's some bonus ads I created.